Hi, I'm Jimmy.
Hi, I'm Crystal.
Welcome to our channel. And this is Aria, our Frenchie. She's along for our journey.
We're traveling nomads, and right now we're living in Airbnbs as we travel through Mexico, Central America, and South America. Spending 1 to 3 months in each location, really trying to get used to the area and explore.
Everything we own is in a few suitcases and a few backpacks. We started this channel so we could record our travels because we really don't have the room to carry a bunch of pictures and videotapes.
Plus, this gives us a way to really share our adventures with our family and friends, and we hope you all enjoy with us.
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We will be making a spicy honey chicken tonight with a steamed rice. And here in a minute we'll get to how to make it. Alright, today we're going to make some steamed rice. To do this, start with 1 tablespoon of butter in the pan. Add 350 grams of rice. Now rinse this really well for about 30 seconds to a minute. The better you rinse it, the less sticky it'll be. Add 525 grams of water. 2 tablespoons of sesame seed or a mix. I actually have a triple seed mix right here, an Asian mix. You can use it. Add a half a tablespoon of cardamom, 1 tablespoon garlic, and 1 tablespoon curry. Sprinkle on just a little bit, a couple pinches of salt and pepper. And then we want to bring this to a boil as fast as possible. Crank up the heat on your oven or your stove. Once it's boiling, turn it down to a simmer and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. Until you see pockets kind of forming in the rice, then you'll know that all the water is absorbed. And then we'll leave the lid on for about 10 or 15 minutes with the heat off, and then we'll check on the rice. Alright, so this is the rice after it's been steamed. Nice and fluffy, the way it should be. When you're steaming it, don't take the lid off. Leave the lid on during the whole time, or too much of the water will evaporate and you'll get dry rice. After the rice is done, go ahead and take 2 pounds of chicken. Put about 1/3 cup of flour in a bowl with some salt and pepper. The chicken you want to cut up into bite-sized pieces. Go ahead and shake it up in there really good so the chicken's really nice and coated. And then you'll want to get a wok or a pan. Put 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Get it nice and hot. Then you want to add your chicken and cook it till it's nice and golden and brown. Alright, now while the chicken is frying, you might need to add another tablespoon of oil, depends on how much chicken you use. But then you'll want to add 2 more tablespoons of oil, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, or a tablespoon of powder if you're using powder, about a half a red onion, and about 1/4 cup of peppers of your choice. I'm using habanero, jalapeno, and serrano. So add those in. Let them cook for about 3 or 4 minutes, and we'll come back. Alright, now we're going to add a tablespoon of soy sauce, about 1/2 tablespoon of vinegar, apple cider is best, and then about 1/3 cup of honey. We'll mix that together, let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then it'll be ready to serve. Alright, so this is how your chicken should look when it's done. Should be nice and thick. Now what we'll do is we'll take some of the rice that we prepared earlier, put it on a plate. Grab a nice big spoonful of this. Put it in the middle of the plate. We'll add some green onion that we already chopped up. And then it is now ready to serve and eat. If you would, please try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comments below.